Good morning! Welcome to Alliance in Motion Global. This is Jordan Gonzalez, your Vice President for Business Development. And in this series, pag-uusapan natin ang Alliance Success Achievement Program o yung tinatawag nating ASAP. Dito, pag-uusapan ang importance ng training. Bakit nyo kailangan mag-training? Number 2, pag-uusapan natin what is networking, ano ang credibility ng network marketing, ano ang mga advantages ng networking versus employment and traditional business. And of course, bakit pipiliin mo ang Alliance in Motion Global as your network marketing company? Along the way, we will also be talking about how to handle objections so that you will be able to close many of your prospects. Now, let me discuss with you the importance of training. According to Richard Branson, one of the most successful people in the world, if someone offers you a great opportunity and you don't know how to do it, just say yes. And then soon or later, just learn about it. Meaning, pag may nagpakita sa'yo ng isang napakagandang opportunity, pero hindi mo alam kung paano ito gagawin, sabihin mo lang sa sarili mong susubukan mo at saka mo na lang pag-aralan sa mga susunod na araw. Ganito rin sa Alliance in Motion. Kung hindi ka network marketer, wala kang experience sa sales, it's okay. Everything can be learned, lalo na sa mga training. Kaya importante dito, yung umaattend ng training para tumaas ang iyong kaalaman or knowledge. Number 2, para ikaw ma-enhance mo yung skills mo in such a way na magkakaroon ka ng convincing power so that when you talk to your prospects, magiging confident ka sa mga sinasabi mo. That's the importance of training. Isa sa mga importanteng topic na dapat natututunan mo sa business na to is what is network marketing? Well, by definition, network marketing is a system of moving products from the factory down to the end consumer through a network of users, retailers, and network builders. Ibig sabihin, merong napaka-importanteng tatlong elemento pagdating sa networking. Una, yung retailers, mga taong gustong magbenta, mga taong gustong mag-push ng products sa mga taong kakilala nila na gustong gamitin ng produkto. Number 2, may mga tinatawag na consumers or users. Ito yung mga gagamit lang ng mga produkto. Ito yung sa paggamit ng produkto, nagkakaroon sila ng satisfaction and eventually, ikukwento rin nila to sa mga taong kailangan ng nagamit nilang product. And number 3, of course, yung pinaka-importante, yung tinatawag na network builders or network leaders. Ito yung mga magjo-join sa networking na ang gagawin, maggagawa ng malaking grupo, magmo-motivate ng downlines, gagawa ng mga leaders, and eventually, magpapalaki ng organization hanggang maging successful network builder sila. Gaano ba ka-credible ang network marketing? Ladies and gentlemen, for your information, network marketing has been existing for the last 50 years. Nagsimula to sa United States, ang unti-unting umabot sa buong mundo. Sa States, itinuturo ang network marketing sa University of Illinois in Chicago. Not only that, it is also being taught in University of Houston in Texas. And of course, here in the Philippines, kasama po sa Asian Institute of Management or AIM sa mga postgraduate studies nila ang curriculum na network marketing. If you're a marketing student in either De La Salle University or Ateneo University, kasama rin ang network marketing sa kanilang curriculum. So that you will know na ang network marketing is really a credible business model because sa negosyong ito, sa model na ito, marami ng mga higanteng kumpanya ang gumagamit ng konsepto ng networking. Not only that, even professional people, business people, even celebrities, even people from sports are joining networking because this could be a very well opportunity for everyone to get their dream. And one of the most important topics that you will have to learn in this business is that why you have to do network marketing. Bakit mo kailangan gawin ng networking over other opportunities? Well, I'd like to tell you na ang networking is a very good vehicle for you to be able to get your dreams faster. Ano ba ang advantage ng networking versus employment? Of course, if you are working for someone else, wala namang masama doon. But you have to know, as long as you are working for someone else, you will never become financially free. Nakakonfine ka sa 8 to 5 job. Fixed ang income. And of course, merong tinatawag na no work, no pay, which means you have to be there physically to make money. Unlike in network marketing, the things you will enjoy here is financial freedom aside from time freedom. Dito, merong tinatawag na ikaw ang sarili mong amo. You are your own boss so that you run your own show. Not only that, merong tinatawag na residual income and unlimited income. Residual income is a type of income that you will be making such that after the work has been finished, you're still getting paid. Ano ibig sabihin nun? As long as yung organization mo may bumibili ng product, gumagamit ng product, may nagbebenta, merong nagre-recruit, may nagjo-join, ikaw na nag-build ng network, kumikita ka pa rin. And it will come to a point that you don't have to recruit anymore, you don't have to sell anymore, but you are still making money. And that you will see the real freedom, yung tinatawag na total time freedom, total financial freedom, until you enjoy your life. Hanggang sa ikaw ay mag-retire na, hanggang sa ikaw ay talagang ma-enjoy mo yung buhay mo kasama ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay. And ano naman ang advantage ng networking versus traditional business? Kasi marami sa atin ang option, aside from employment, is to put up our own traditional business. Well, let me advise you. Napakalaki ng sakit ng ulo pag nag-traditional business ka. Number one, kailangan mo ng main idea. Ano bang negosyo ang kailangan mong i-put up in the first place? Number two, you have to come up with a huge capital because sa traditional business may kasabihan. Kung gusto mong kumita ng malaki, malaki din dapat ang puhunan mo. Number three, pag nagnenegosyo, kailangan merong tinatawag na entrepreneurial skills. Dapat may kaalaman ka, may konti kang experience sa patatakbuhin mong negosyo. In fact, sa research at survey, it takes about 3 to 5 bankruptcies bago maging successful sa traditional business. Hindi pa kasama dyan yung mga fixed expenses, overhead expenses, kuryente, renta, tao, at iba pang mga sakit ng ulo. Kaya pag-isipan mo muna kung magtra-traditional business ka. Well, good thing may network marketing because sa networking, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking puhunan. Kasi sa negosyong to, kahit minimal ang puhunan mo, pwede kang kumita ng malaki. Not only that, wala kang fixed overhead expenses. Dito, the company that you will be joining will be providing you the infrastructures that you need. And in network marketing, hindi mo kailangan ng entrepreneurial skills. Kasi dito, ipoprovide ang mga trainings na kailangan mo, may mga magtuturo sa inyo, may support system na tinatawag. Sa network marketing, pag lumalaki ang network mo, lumalaki ang mga leaders mo, magkakaroon ka ng tinatawag na time freedom. Unlike sa traditional business, most traditional business, pag lumalaki ang negosyo, lumalaki rin ang responsibilidad. Nawawalan ka na ng panahon dahil kailangan mong tutukan ng iyong negosyo. Kabaliktaran yan sa networking. Sa networking, pag alam mo ang gagawin, habang lumalaki ang grupo mo, nagiging less ang demand para sa'yo kasi nakakapag-create ka ng leaders. Therefore, lalo mong namumultiply ang sarili mo at nagagamit mo yung tinatawag na power of leverage. So, to summarize, bakit napakaganda ng networking? Number one, you can become your own boss. Ikaw ang amo mo. You run your own show. Hindi ka dito fixed income. Walang nagpapasahod sa'yo kundi sarili mo. Number two, you will be able to use the power of law of leverage. Ano ba yung law of leverage? This is the ability to multiply your time through others, which happens to be the most important technique to wealth. Ginagamit yan ng malalaking negosyante. Ginagamit yan ng Jollibee, ginagamit ng mga bangko, ng mga malalaking gasolinahan, ng mga malalaking restaurants because the leverage means the ability to multiply yourself to a lot of people. Another thing of network marketing is that pag nag-network marketing ka, you have the ability to do this business all over the world. Yung tinatawag nating international business because by online marketing, you are able to expand your business everywhere. Not only that, another advantage of networking yung tinatawag na time and financial freedom. This is also an avenue for you to help other people. And of course, yung business na to, merong tinatawag na residual income. It will come to a point that yung income mo, pwede mong ipamana o pwedeng ma-inherit ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. Lahat ng mga yan na nabanggit kong advantages ng networking, hindi nyo makikita kung kayo'y mananatili lamang empleyado or magpuput up ka ng traditional business. So network marketing, ladies and gentlemen, is really the wave of the future. Ngayon na alam mo na kung ano ang network marketing, ano ang credibility ng network marketing, at ano ang advantage ng networking over traditional business and employment, ngayon naman pag-usapan natin, bakit Alliance in Motion Global sa dami ng kumpanya sa buong mundo? Well, to give you an input, there are three very important considerations or there are three very important elements to consider when joining a network marketing company. Number one, the company. Of course, number two, the product. And number three, the marketing plan. Now, let's talk about Alliance in Motion Global as a company. Well, first and foremost, we're very proud to tell you, 11 years na po ang Alliance in Motion Global. Over that 11-year period, we were able to create more than 5,000 millionaires. At present, AIM Global, ladies and gentlemen, is in 17 countries all over the world. Patunay na ang AIM Global universal ang appeal. Ibig sabihin, kahit saang kontinente, kahit saang bansa, pwede ang Alliance in Motion Global. Over the last 11 years, napakarami ng awards ang tinanggap ang AIM Global galing sa iba't ibang mga awarding bodies. Kasama dyan ang private, kasama rin ang public. Itong huli lang, ang Alliance in Motion Global nakatanggap na naman ng award mula sa businessforhome.com. Yung award na to ay 4 na beses nang tinatanggap ng AIM Global, particularly yung tinatawag na Top Direct Selling CEO, care of our dear President and Chairman, Dr. Ed Cabantog. Nakatanggap din kami ng awards na tinatawag na Top 100 Solid MLM, Top Direct Selling Company, Top Compensation Plan, at yan po ay all over the world. Ganyang katibay, ganyang ka-stable, ganyan ang history at track record ng Alliance in Motion Global. And to top it up, our owners, the people behind this company, have a combined experience of 65 years, extensive experience in network marketing industry. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin ang mga produkto ng Alliance in Motion Global. We are very proud to tell you that Alliance in Motion Global has partnered with giant companies such as Nature's Way. Nature's Way is a multi-billion-dollar company based in the US. Another one is DSM. DSM is a multi-billion euro company based in Europe. And of course, Weider Global Nutrition, which is very popular among athletes, among celebrities, because Weider happens to be a pioneer in global nutrition programs. Together with these giant manufacturers, AIM Global provide you with unique products, breakthrough products, and wonderful products that provide optimum health. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin ang marketing plan or compensation plan ng Alliance in Motion Global. We're very happy to tell you that our marketing plan is generous and lucrative. Gaano ka-generous ang marketing plan ng AIM Global? Well, we have combined the beauty of unilevel, stair-step, and binary program rolled into one, and we are the only company that provides our distributor with a daily payout system, providing them with a stable source of income. Now, one of the most important parts of Alliance Success Achievement Program or ASAP is how to handle objections. Well, let me tell you, dear viewers, that objections are actually buying signs. Magandang sign ang may objection dahil pag ikaw marunong ka sumagot ng mga tanong, objections ng mga prospect mo, mapapapayin mo sila at mapapajoin mo sila sa grupo mo. Now, one of the many things na lagi na lang natin naririnig sa prospects natin ay yung, wala akong time eh. Well, pag narinig mo to sa prospect mo, one of the many reasons ba't sinasabi ko is, number one, baka hindi ka naiintindihan. Ang una mo lang kailangan ipaliwanag, kailangan nilang gawin to kahit part-time lang. Meaning, hindi kailangan i-full-time. Second, pwede mong sabihin na ito ay home-based business. Pwedeng gawin ang AIM Global sa pamamagitan ng Facebook. Matutunan lang nila at magkaroon lang sila ng tinatamang right tools. But then again, pag may mga prospects na nagsasabi na wala silang time, maaari mo rin ipaliwanag yung katotohanan. Na dito, sa mundo, marami sa atin nagbibigay ng time sa mga bagay na hindi natin ikaka-asenso. Kasama dyan yung 8 to 5 job, kasama dyan yung pagtatrabaho sa ibang tao, whereas wala namang nangyayari, wala namang asenso. They are just wasting their time. Hindi katulad pag sila, binigyan nila ang AIM Global ng panahon, binigyan ng kahit na part-time lamang, dito, pwede nilang makuha mga pangarap nila at pwede silang umasenso. Actually, sa mga taong nagsasabi na wala silang time, it's just a matter of prioritizing. Bakit marami kang taong makikita, mga kabataan, 13 years old, 15 years old, by online marketing, kumikita ng maganda. Whereas marami sa atin, we keep working, walang nangyayari, paglabas sa opisina, imbis na iinom ka, makikipaggimikan, manonood ng teleserye, magbabasketball, why not divert your time to a more productive way, katulad ng pag-join sa AIM Global, dahil dito pwede ka naming turuan kung paano ang online marketing at maximize mo rin ang pagkita ng malaki kahit nasa bahay ka o kahit nasa ang lugar ka pa. Just to cite an example, marami kaming OFW na kasama na ngayon ay kumikita na maganda sa AIM Global. Kung pag-uusapan ng walang oras, ito yung mga talagang walang oras. OFW, katulad ng seaman, domestic helpers, na talagang walang oras at mga nakaw na sandali lang ang kanilang pagpe-Facebook, pag-online marketing. Sometimes, yung iba sa kanila, nasa CR, panahon para matulog, yung iba panahon para mamasyal, ginagawa ang AIM Global just using Facebook marketing. Basta may tamang tools ka, malalaman mo kung paano gawin ang negosyong ito. Believe me, may oras ka para mag-AIM Global. And isa sa madalas nating naririnig na objection ng mga prospects natin ay yung, ay, hindi ko linya yan. Well, sa mga nagsasabing hindi nyo linya ito, I'd just like to give you some example. Ilan ba o maraming doktor ang pumupunta sa iba't ibang bansa para mag-nurse sa kagustuhan na kumita ng mas malaki kaysa sa profession nila? Ilang bang degree holder ang naglipa na sa iba't ibang call centers para lang kumita ng 30, 40,000 kahit hindi nila linya? Ilan bang teachers na mga kababayan natin ang nagpunta sa iba't ibang bansa para maging domestic helpers? Not only that, ilan bang kilala natin ng mga professionals tulad ng engineer, medtech, at kung ano-ano pa ang nagpupunta sa mga iba't ibang bansa para maging waiter sa isang restaurant o kaya sa mga cruise ship? At walang pinagkaibahan dito sa AIM Global. Marami sa aming sumama ang mga professionals, non-professionals, natupad ang kanilang mga pangarap at hindi lang kumita, naging milyonaryo pa. Maaring ang tanong mo, paano nila nagawa yun? Well, ang sagot dyan, simple lang. Dahil dito sa AIM Global, may ready-made trainings na, may proven trainings na, at may mga coaches, kasama mga mentors, na umiikot sa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas, kasama ang buong mundo. And kasama po ako dyan, kasama ang training team na nagtuturo ng iba't ibang mga distributors. Pero, hindi katulad ng ibang profesyon or degree, hindi ka aabutin dito ng 6 years, 5 years, or 4 years para matutunan. Basta humble ka lang at may good learning attitude ka, in 1 month or 3 months time, pwede mo nang matutunan paano ginagawa ang Alliance in Motion Global. Now, isa pa sa mga dalas nating naririnig na objection ng ating mga prospects ay yung matalas na, wala akong kapital eh. Well, sa mga taong nagsasabi na wala silang kapital, marahil hindi lang nila naiintindihan ang importance or halaga ng pangangapital o pagkakaroon ng puhunan. Unahin natin, by the time that we were born in this world, magmula nung bata tayo, hanggang tayo magkaroon ng trabaho at graduate, ang mga magulang natin nagkaroon ng kapital or investment para sa atin upang magkaroon tayo ng magandang future. Tayo mismo, gumugugol tayo ng oras, gumugugol tayo ng panahon, pagod, gumugugol tayo ng pera upang pagalingin ang sarili natin para magkaroon tayo ng skills upang nang sa ganun magkaroon tayo ng magandang trabaho o magandang kita. Sa buhay, alam mo dapat yung tinatawag na law of sowing and reaping. Meaning, pag ikaw may gustong anihin, kailangan marunong ka magtanim. Sa bangko, kailangan mong magdeposito muna upang ikaw magkaroon ng interest. Sa madaling salita, halos sa lahat ng bagay, kailangan mo ng kapital kung may mas gusto kang makuhang mas malaki sa buhay. Mga kapital na yan comes in many forms. At isa sa mga forms of capital ay yung tinatawag nating intellectual capital. Dito, namumuhunan tayo o nangangapital tayo para tayo pa'y lalong matuto at magpalawak ng ating kaalaman. Kasama dyan, nag-e-enroll tayo sa mga universities, nag-e-enroll tayo para sa education, including, of course, attending trainings, seminars, bumibili tayo ng libro para mas may lalo pa tayong matutunan, bumibili tayo ng mga inspiring and motivating audios para matutunan pa natin at iba't ibang mga paraan na gusto nating matutunan at para lalo pa tayong lumago at lalo pang lumawak ang ating pag-iisip. And another form of capital, yung tinatawag nating social capital. We capitalize on connecting to the right people or potential people. Kaya tayo po'y namumuhunan para magkaroon ng tinatawag na connections to the right people. Of course, kung gusto mong umasenso sa business, kailangan you should capitalize on connecting to the right people, lalong-lalo na sa mga successful na negosyante, na successful of course ang kanilang negosyo. Iba, pagka may connection ka, na alam mong makakatulong para sa iyong entrepreneurial skills. Kaya naman, be careful who you associate yourselves with. Because yung mga taong sasamahan mo, yan ang magdidictate kung ikaw ay lalago o hindi lalago pagdating ng panahon. And one of the forms of capital, yung tinatawag nating emotional capital. Itong emotional capital na to can only be gained through experience, lalo na dun sa tinatawag nating trial and error. Because if we go through trial and error, marami tayong experiences na matututunan. Particularly, we learn a lot from failures and mistakes. Kaya naman, huwag tayong matatakot mabigo. Huwag tayong matatakot magkamali. Kasi dyan tayo nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na emotional strength or emotional stamina para lalo pa tayong lumago at umasenso pagdating ng panahon. Isa pang form ng capital, yung tinatawag na physical capital. Dalawa yan, may internal and external. Nandiyan yung we eat the right food, conscious tayo sa ating health, we go to the gym, tayo po'y inaalagaan natin ang ating pangangatawanan. Nandiyan din to the some extent. Yung iba, nagpa-plastic surgery, nag-iiba ng kanilang anyo, nagpapaputi, yung mga babae, nagpupunta sa parlor, pumupunta dito, etc. Itong mga bagay na to importante because we know na tayo'y pag physically appealing, nakakapataas to ng ating tinatawag na confidence level, nakakapagpataas ng trust, gumaganda ang ating integrity, at nagkakaroon tayo ng credibility. Same way with business. We capitalize on having good image kasi alam natin, tools natin ito para ma-project na tayo successful. Nandyan yung bumibili tayo ng mga pananamit na magaganda at iba pa. Some people, some businessmen even go to the extent of buying some cars or even some other tools para ipakita na sila ay successful. Pagdating naman sa mga malalaking company like McDonald's, Jollibee, nandyan yung makikita nyo yung kanilang mga commercials na talaga namang good image, high quality products, delicious foods, talaga namang makakapag-capture ng market na tinatarget nila. Importante na binibigyan mo ng emphasis yung pangangapital sa tinatawag nating good image dahil ito ay nagiging tools mo para i-project ang iyong business. Not only that, nowadays, importante yung tinatawag na points or mileage where you can create a leverage to really advertise your business. Lalo na dito sa AIM Global. Importante na ikaw namumuhunan at pinagaganda mo yung profile picture mo, malinis ang FB page mo, maganda ang image mo, ikaw namumuhunan to start appealing so that in return, lalo mong maipapakita na credible ka at successful yung ginagawa mong negosyo. Meron tayong tinatawag na technical capital. Technical capital pertains to, of course, knowing the basics. Importante yon kasi napaka-importante nung tinatawag na technical know-how. Alam mo dapat, meron kang how-to knowledge kung tawagin. Kasi business ito, and of course, importante, you equip yourself so that you can be effective in building your business. And of course, last but not the least, definitely, merong tinatawag na financial capital. Of course, sa law of investment, kung gusto mong kumita o gusto mong magkaroon ng interest yung pera mo, kailangan may investment ka. Same way, if you want to get something, you have to put in something. Magbayad ka. Kung sa ikakalago mo, sa ikaka-asenso mo, why not invest? Because sa mundo, wala kang makukuha kung wala kang itatanim. Kung may training, pay. Kung may matututunan ka sa isang libro, bilhin mo. Kung may matututunan ka sa isang palabas, why not do it? Because at the end of the day, yung ilalabas mo, siguradong may kapalit yan, basta tama ang investment mo at may nag-guide sa'yo kung ano yung mga dapat mong papasukin. Well, that's Alliance Success Achievement Program. Kaya dapat paulit-ulit yung panoorin itong video na to katulad ng pagtangkilik ninyo sa NDO na English version at Tagalog version, ganun din dito. Paulit-ulit at least 5 beses. And of course, do not forget to like, share, and comment this video so that we can spread this video to as many people as possible para mas marami pang taong makinabang sa video na to. And of course, watch out! Excited na kami dahil sa mga darating pang video na ilalabas namin para makapag-training sa mga Alliance in Motion Global distributors. Thank you!